Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And it's the first of the month. We are May 1st, 2026. And of course, what do we do in the first of the month? We look at the market share of Windows. Well, this month, Windows started its climb again after a little bump downwards last month. So we are now in the 70.3% range for Windows 11. We are at 28.5% for Windows 10. So Windows 11 is definitely now the operating system that most people use. Windows 10 at 28.5 is starting to get the low number, but it's still a little more than a quarter of all PCs out there. So it's very interesting to see that there's, literally still a lot of people using. If they're using a 1.5 billion, PCs out there being used, we do have in there, 400, almost 400 million Windows 10 PCs still running, a little less. So that is a good number, and it's something that certainly is an important number of people. So we'll see what happens and how much we're going to have left of that market share when we get to October. That's going to be the interesting one, too. See what's left in October of this year. So that's the numbers for April 2026. The decline of Windows 10 continues. The rise of Windows 11 continues. And we'll see what happens throughout the year, especially with, now that we know that Windows 11 is going to be improved. Maybe more people will be interested in moving on. And of course, the core that's left of Windows 10 here could, a big majority might be on PCs that just can't upgrade to Windows 11. So that will also depend on PC sales and how many will maybe move to zero patch by the end of the year. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.